Alright guys, welcome to my digital presentation. My name is Tyler John Santos, and this is my work on White Heron by Sarah Orne Jewett. The main characters of this story are Sylvia, and her name means Spirit of the Wood, and that'll be important as we go on. And the other two main characters are the young hunter, which is the quote-unquote love interest, and the last one is her grandmother, Mrs. Tilly. Sylvia, just like her name, is very connected to nature. She has no friends, and she is closest to nature. In the beginning of the story, while she is walking her cow home, she runs into a young man. Right away, Sylvia finds herself attracted to this man. He introduces himself as a hunter and requests if he can stay the night at her house. And at first, Sylvia was kind of hesitant to do so because she is a loner of sorts. But anyways, she decides to walk home with this young man that she had just met. When the two arrive at Sylvia's home, her grandmother is eager for the man to stay with them. She even cooks a meal for them to enjoy when he gets in there. The young man challenges Sylvia's loyalty to nature because he is a hunter, and Sylvia loves all things that nature encompasses. And the hunter says that he loves these animals, and it confuses Sylvia on why he kills them. And the hunter is after an elusive white heron, which lives on the property that Sylvia knows well. After discovering that Sylvia knows the land well, he asks her to join him on his hunt in the morning. And as a prize, he offers Sylvia $10 if he takes if she takes him to the nesting site of the white heron. Like I said before, the young man is a hunter that likes to display his harvest as trophies. In the hunting world, we would call this man a trophy hunter. And this puts Sylvia at odds between her decision of nature and the young man that she is attracted to. And the young man is also associated with money. After the young man asks her to show him the way to where the white heron is located, she has to climb this tall pine tree where she can get a vantage point of where the heron is. And once she gets to the top of the pine tree, she sees the white heron and its mate, and she realizes that there really is no other choice but to be loyal to nature, which has always loved her. Finally, the significant message that Jewett is trying to relay to the reader is that it is important to be rooted in nature. She has put a twist on the usual fairy tale ending, and she shows that it's okay to put your personal happiness over having a partner. She's really trying to relate this to like Cinderella and other princess stories, and where they have a prince that usually comes to their rescue, but Sylvia in this story does not need that prince. She stays loyal to nature, and that's why she chooses it. Thank you.